Hey guys, what is up? Y'all, I don't know what catch you all in my O's. Now, let me tell y'all, the reason I have not been vlogging, we caught COVID again, y'all. It wasn't because we were out or anything, and it's not because, like, no bunch of people came over for Christmas or anything like that. I actually caught it at work. Like, the last week of school, right before break, they had shut down school and we went virtual because a lot of teachers and a lot of students were, testing positive for it, so they sent us home. And I came home and, you know, I didn't feel good. Like, I had a headache and I was coughing a little bit, but I didn't really, you know, felt like I had it because I had it before, so I kind of knew what the symptoms were. So I didn't have it, and I was coughing, and my coughing stopped, and then everybody else in the house started coughing, and still I wasn't sick. Everybody else got sick. So Sweets was sick first. He caught it first because when I came home, Sha put a mask on, my mom put a mask on. Sweets was the only person that wasn't scanning me. Right, Sweets?
Oh, boss.
Then boss. He was the only person that was scanning me, so he got sick first. And then, but when you got sick, it was just coughing, right? You felt, yeah, you did feel sick. So yeah, he was sick. And then Shab got sick, then my mom got sick, and then I got sick last. And then we got, so that's all was between Tuesday and Thursday, right? And then on Friday, which is the Friday, the day before Christmas, we all went to get tested, and Ainsworth was here, so we all went to get tested. It came back negative. So Ainsworth and his family came over because we tested negative, thought we were safe. My mom went to work on Sunday, tested positive, so everybody in the house got it. They went and got tested, came back positive. I didn't do mine yet, just because if they got it, obviously I'm sick and all that. I got it too, so I'm just gonna wait out, me and Sweets, until like we pass the phase to see if we could test negative again and do the actual PCR test. The rapid test is what gave us a negative result, so be careful with the rapid test. They're not always accurate. But yeah, so we're gonna, why my eyes look lopsided, we're gonna do the PCR test soon. We're just trying to wait out our quarantine period. But yeah, feel good today, honestly. I'm just still coughing. We're all still coughing and stuff, but like for the most part we're in the up and up. So yeah, today I decided to get up and film a video and get cute for Sweets. I'm not gonna lie, Sweets have been seeing me like a model man, and I said to him, you know, like he be like, you can't tell me say Shade, you can't fix up herself, you know, because I be in the house looking crazy. I know how I do with my straight backs, like really don't care. So this time somehow get up to the film, two bird one stone, get cute, period. So yeah, I'm gonna go cook today. I'm gonna cook. I'm in the mood to eat some fish. Oh yeah, going so far, but how it is, I'm in the mood to cook some fish, so I'm gonna make fish. Mommy don't eat fish, so we have to figure out what mommy gonna eat. She said chicken, but chicken's probably frozen, boy. So we're gonna make fish and stuff and just vibe in the house, because where we can't go nowhere at all. So yeah, so that's why I've been MIA. I know every time I'm back and I'm like, y'all, I'm back, life just happens, and here we are again. So be safe. You can just be minding your business and COVID still find you, because I honestly, I've just been going to work and coming back home, nothing else, and still got it. So just be careful. And for all the teachers out there that are still working in the classroom, be very careful. I feel like sometimes kids forget that COVID is still a thing. You just gotta constantly remind them. Of course we do, they test weekly and all that, but you know, after Thanksgiving break, people traveled, people went around their families. So after that, the cases just started increasing again. So we're currently virtual. Even in January when school opened back up, we're gonna be virtual. So back to this virtual life. I don't like it, but listen, we gotta do what we gotta do. Sweets are recording me, so y'all, let's go cook and stuff. You want to say hi? Say hey. Anyway guys, yeah, we're gonna cook, so come on vamonos. Me I go cook. Since I come up, but we all cook, and me hey, I go on drilling for do everything in our kitchen. Where's me that feel good? Coronavirus. Mommy asleep because she really don't feel good. I feel like out of everybody, Mommy got hit the worst, and then Shav. I feel like I wasn't that much sick like everybody else, and I'm vaccinated. Sweets is vaccinated. My mom is vaccinated. Shab got his first dose. He didn't get his second dose, so clearly all of that don't work. Hey guys, dinner last night. I didn't get to vlog the whole thing because I don't know, I was just in my zone, just cooking, trying to get it done. The rice did fresh. I don't know what happened there, but the rice did fresh, but the fish came out the fish came out good. We ate, and for the rest of the night I wasn't feeling 100%, so we just like chilled, watched a movie till we fell asleep. So today now, and I know I have the same clothes on, same jacket on, I just threw it on. So I just got done editing some videos, emailing some companies that I needed to respond to, and all of that. Right now I'm about to watch HBO. I'm about to watch Insecure, finish the season. I have got HBO Max just because I wanted to watch Insecure. So now that it's over, I'm gonna binge watch the episodes. I think I left off at episode 5. I'm gonna binge watch it so that I can cancel my membership. It's giving very much budgeting. I just created my budget as well for 2022. It's crazy that it's 2022. I just created my budget that I want to stick to for the year. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole year or I'm gonna do it in like quarters, something like that, or maybe every 6 months. I'm not sure yet, but something of that sort. So yeah, Sweets is downstairs playing game with Shava and his friends and stuff down there, so I got me some quiet time by myself. Period. So I'm about to go watch some catch up on girl show, my Insecure, and actually just made dinner again. Tonight I made some sweet chili chicken wings and rice every day. Rice, we need to cook something else. But yeah, Sweet's downstairs mashing it up, and them down there mashing it up as well. I just went downstairs and got 3 chicken wings, and Sweets ate a piece of it. Like, dang. So I'm about to go watch Insecure, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all, the vlog is probably just a lot of me sitting down talking because I can't go outside, I can't go anywhere, so it's just stuff in the house. So I try to, like, you know, we be vibing in the house a little bit, playing music, playing dominoes and stuff. It's just a matter of vlogging it. One thing that I can say this COVID this time around brought to me is like shortness of breath. I'd be like, the other night I had to pull for my mom nebulizer to like stabilize my breathing because my chest was like tightened up on me. So that felt good, but the least of the thing, I'm out of breath. I don't know what it is, like very much congested, but I'm on the up and up now, so giving thanks to God. This is gonna be my little station. I'm watching on my laptop because I don't remember the password to log in on my TV, so I'm just about to watch this on the laptop real quick. Let's see. I even forgot what email I used. HBO. The only thing I watch on here is Insecure. So as soon as this is over, I'm gonna cancel my membership because I really don't be watching nothing else, to be honest. So it is what it is, and I can save I forgot how much the membership is. Let's see, because you know I am not no way I pay $14.99 a month. It's gonna renew January 2nd. I have 2 days because today's the 30th. I have 2 days to finish watching the entire season. If we're being honest, I can finish that right now. So I'm gonna finish it tonight and cancel that membership before I'm charged another $14.99 plus tax. Because I think when I see it on my statement, it's like $15.39 or $89 or something like that. Either way, that's too much. That's not in my budget for 2022. I definitely did not write that on my budget, so we need to cancel that. And now I'm being rudely interrupted. Where y'all are? Where y'all are? Me nah pause no. I put it on YouTube. Okay. Okay. Y'all try to pause. Stop. I am putting that on there. Stop. I swear I'm putting it on there. No, I'm not lifting that up. Say hey guys. No, just say hey.
No, let's say hey guys. You're right, yeah. Hey guys.
Yeah, that's what I'm make your voice so deep. Oh, you come up here for?
Pause that little bit and talk to you.
Let me tell you something. Me go watch my show because you're downstairs. I watch you. I play a game. So I go watch my show. So you have your time, I got my time.
So our show time now when I go sleep?
No. But are you a choose game? You see what time? No.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna watch this. Quick episodes them here. Anyway, guys, and clearly want to talk to me about something. So
Right.
see y'all tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna finish watching Insecure and see y'all tomorrow. So good night.